Introducing the USB wall charger by POWERIVER. This multi-outlet extender surge protector is a versatile power strip that will meet all your charging needs. With 5 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. The compact size of 5.53.81.7 inches makes it perfect for home, school, or office use. The smart USB charging ports automatically detect and deliver the fastest charging speed for your devices, up to 5 volts, 2.4A each port. The USB-C port supports up to 3A charging, but please note that it is not compatible with MacBook or any other laptops requiring 9 to 22 volts charging voltage. Installation is quick and easy. The power outlet has a unique 3-side design with built-in surge protection and 2.1 inches of space between each outlet. This allows you to charge 5 large plugs without any blocking. You can even secure it on a duplex outlet using the included screw. Safety is our priority. The surge protector is equipped with a 3-level complementary circuit that provides rapid protection for your devices. With a fire resistance shell and flame retardance up to 1382, this power strip is durable and built to last. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our USB wall charger is ETL certified, and our friendly customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. You can purchase with confidence, knowing that we offer a 30-day return and 12-month replacement policy. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and compatibility may vary internationally. Always check compatibility and consider using an adapter or converter if needed. Specifications: input voltage 100 to 240 VAC, 60Hz. Max current 15A. Max power rating 1875W. USB port output District of Columbia 5V, total 4.2A. Surge protection rating 1680 joules. Item dimensions 5.53.81.7 inches. Package includes 1X multi-outlet extender surge protector with USB ports, 1X instruction manual, 1X paper box. Please take note of the safety precautions. Do not exceed the total rating to avoid damage and fire hazards. This plug extender is not compatible with GFCI outlets or 2-prong outlets. The USB wall charger by POWERIVER has received high praise from customers, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. It is currently ranked as the #1 bestseller in electrical multi-outlets in the tools and home improvement category. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Get your USB wall charger by POWERIVER today and enjoy the convenience of charging multiple devices simultaneously.